Emi awani yazino. Ndona sisinyo serena dona. Esse é um nyawa. Adelaide. Esse é um nyawa. No way I have to look at you. It's all I will. Iniga YouTube nyanu wa. Iniga page nyanu wa. Utedo. O. Why I be mine? Ìṣòro wa gbé. Ìṣòro wa gbé. Wàyà tí ẹ style dọ́gba yìí òwe dọ́gba yìí wà tí ẹ rí. Gèsì lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ platform mẹ́wàá direct to Esther. Ọ̀nà ẹ̀kọ́nà náà tán straight direct to Esther ẹ̀dọ́gba yìí di Asigenemu 1 of Sheshe Nation. Wàtí ẹ̀ gùnmẹ́ Asigenemu 1 of our kingdom. Gèsì lọ́wọ́. No one here will and I have a moku. No one have a coco. It's a robot. Ogyoba Togasu. Ogyoba Togasu. Ogyoba Togasu. Ogyoba Togasu. Hey, Baba with a smile. Always said, I will let go. Hey, Star Majesty Doga. I will give you and waje. He said Mila. He said Mila. But where you said Mila. He said Mila. The Murphy, but where you said Mila. Murphy face but where you send me la. 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 Bagbo where you send me la. Oh no, did it. So back where you did it. Oh no, you where you did it. So back where you did it. Oh, you're about working. The risk of doing you send me la. No, you're here, you did that. No, where you did that. Where you did that. No way you did it. Talk back where you did it. You think I'm the second? Kada babao. Babao. Why you walk any day? Wàá ti yan rẹ̀ yóò ní àkúgbé yan ẹgbẹ́ àrẹ mú ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀sọ́ gbé abókíyàn bá ẹ̀sọ́ ẹgbẹ́ àmú yan gbé yàrá ìṣìrí yan tẹ̀ ní pòsíṣíọ̀n ní yan ìkànnà kékeré ní ayé ní yàrá ìsànà gbé agárò kékeré ní yan yàtọ̀ tá o ní sànpá kékeré ní yan yàtọ̀ tá o àgbọ̀n náà ní yàrá balance gbé wàá ti yan rẹ̀ wàá ti àṣegẹnẹmọ́ rẹ̀ ẹ̀sítà àṣegẹnẹmọ́ wàá ti ẹ̀gùn ẹ̀ o mẹ́wọ̀n ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ o gẹ̀ẹ́sì lọ́ọ̀ ẹ̀ o. Edoga gbowa. My sister, I find na poverty nothing with poverty, no because when I have me thank God for my life I greet you. Why are you? Why don't you wanna? Why are you? A dog at Bua. Go where you send me la. Or we don't go where you send me la. Yeah, okay, ya me nowhere. On I have here we did. Oh, we did. On I have here where we did. I don't know where we did. Tag bear we did. Tag bear you did. No, where we did. No. Tọ́ba gbé yìí dìde. Why you tell me that? Well, no way you tell me that. You know well. You did that. No way you did that. Tọ́ba gbé yìí dìde. No way you did that. Bang bang ding 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 ding. Yes, and so my people. Salome always said, "What in your real Niado to ta? In Yado down in her woman, Yabe Kalo Quaho, Yankalo Quaho, they no keke no guard you. Umen were ladia would not Yabe do, man no Quaho. But Yasigene Mogumel, Yaban on Yaebeo. If you carry Roy Bay, over Yakbo where you send me la, Yabe Kalo Equao. Asigene mo what ya egide o. Always said. Yes, no time to check time, let's go straight to the business of the day, You know what I'm saying? Let's go straight to the business of the day without wasting much time, you understand what I'm saying? It's just the way it is, Today, I'm going to be doing it live and direct, English and Benin language. For those who don't understand the Benin for inside, you go ask your landlady or you ask your landlord. If possible, ask your tenant. You understand? So I say just be. Today's topic is based on Esther Edokpayi, aka the Asigene 1 of Shesheke Nation. Let me give her that name. And that name go mash him. Pino ise, Eroarwa, Ekbolo, Oma Deveba, Oma Rora guy. Assesse, we yele root home, Hunda Eru, we yele root color, root home, Eyegina. That is for Esther Edokpayi. Now, what Esther Gumeo? What yesterday when I call Esther con the what is be named ladies of song. When I call her con ladies of song, the Christian gospel musician singer who migrated from Ojuju Shrine. What year? The Benin gospel singer who originated from Ojuju Shrine. After singing gospel music, praising God with sweet voice, goes to Ojuju Shrine to Bewe for her. When I call and come, I want this going on this evening. I want position for where it belongs to as far as Edo is concerned. You understand? It don't go where you send me la. Esther Edokpayi or go where you send me la. All because of praises. Because I want to belong. Because I want people to hear my name. My sister, you fucked up. Esther Edokpayi, itama wewe, Edo week me abokpaya bossy one day. Oga gbavi sene, eboaritine, eve kiri bude dan, ogbakian, atol yokba, or massa fian will hear me la, make you they hear my voice, make you they hear my release. You understand? Or wukano you are rule. Ulule warule ya kuigogbe igona ulesia he uma ilesia he we are gbowe similar a boy ewe gbowe na person we never reach to become mama in one position himself as mama at the end he come be mermaid. You dey feel me? So the same thing now waiting Esther don't go initiate self so when I invite her come anywhere if they sleep when I go knock for a door when I tell her say somebody they shout in for live video they tell her where he forget her wrong if they sleep if he say nobody if he tell her the reality when I don't come the man where they talk the reality man where they talk and the way it just be. I know say some of the single mother we don't waste for frustration don't carry grandchildren for their life where they follow Esther then go support her. You understand? Since Esther don't carry himself come live video say in a live video presenters he don't join the Disgwan Squad Association and he don't go fuck up for where he not supposed to fuck up. When I call and come both him and the person where in the worship when I drag them come which is Ijori one of Paris. All the God sent, all the salt and water ministry, mona regardé là-bas. Omenwa is here for the second version. This version go to sweet. This version, this second version of Iyore stroke Esther Edokpayi, he go sweet. You understand? It too sweet. When I call the call, I want to see this girl that they call Ladies of Song for this my platform. When I who get number, when I call her, make it consistent, make it listen to the voice of wisdom. I want young, Baba with a smile. It feel me. So my people, when I see Esther, a Benin gospel song singer, he sing for Benin. He sing. He dey feel saying today. In the follow destiny back when na in a side chick, comfortable side chick. Now waiting he call himself. He bear that God, that name as a comfortable side chick. Follow another man, another guy. You understand? So in though they drive motor, in get mad, in the talk. If you dey want to go to do live video. If you dey party, go to do live video. If you do this, go to do live video. If you dey inside bedroom, you go to do live video. If you want to sleep, it remains small. If your destiny dey fuck on, you go to do live video. You understand? You know, as a musician, if you call yourself a superstar, you get the way you feel do things street. I not go loud now. Ask me sit down here with you now. For this live video, you get the waiting I fit do. Where I go carry camera video myself. You get waiting I fit do. Where I not go fit video myself. Codedly as a guy man. When I know say this thing, I want to do this thing, I want to do this thing, based on code things. If he burst for social media, it go bring down my personality. I go stop it, package myself on now. Normal human being. Now so what they behave. You understand? But because of poverty, we wear Esther. You understand? I got baby will say. I got give me a fee, or you make that heaven. Now waiting the word Esther. I got baby will say, I got give me a fee, or you make a house of Obamaji. You understand? Now waiting the word Esther. Me, I know they for those our Euro people now with the misbehave, but where the problem for the come, and they are the affect talkers as a president of this social media. I go to tackle this problem with the Europe right from house because most of all our people with the constant nuisance for Europe, they start this thing from Nigeria. So if we see the one with the cross boundary, we go first tackle them before we go bounce back to the one with the Europe. You see, Esther Edokpayi now. He go post Iyore picture for him war, praise Iyore. They give Iyore praises. Now understand? He go post Iyore picture for him war. They give Iyore praises. Because Iyore talking for man say, ain't like you as Esther. As a Ghanaian, they listen, when I call Esther, come, make it sit down for this platform. Make it the hear word. If she don't know waiting Iyore be, you understand? For those sort of water people, you understand? Una fit they believe in Iyore prayer. Umenwa not they believe. I'm not go fit believe in Iyore prayer. I know why. Before Iyore was born, salt and water don't already in existence. I feel talking. Before Iyore originated, for Bible, they don't use salt and water. As soon as way they follow me, so if you did any difficulty without listening to Iyore, put salt and water for water, pray, put drink and bath, use the one the bath, use and bath, your problem go solve. I want to shock all of you, if you be really beneath children, the time we small, if belle get the way belle they do you, they go say me you drink, put salt for inside water, drink and it go clear that belle where they bite you. Abuna forget, if woman sleep with man, if you doping system, I mean, you knock with man with straight skin to skin, you no one get belly. You go put water, salt for inside water. As the man they come down for your body, put salt for inside water, drink calm. You go flush and melt that sperm for that man. Where that man pour for your body, melt that way where you be say you know go take in for that month. So all these things now waiting already in existence before Iyore was originated. Iyore platform we all know say na scam. If the user they make his own money, you understand? Now the same Iyore, I don't want to play this video. I don't want to play this Iyore video for this my platform because this my platform do the mature to play things we know they relevant. Now things we go bring shame to the kingdom. I'm not going to play for this my platform. Now make me not go play. For still bring back to those years where you edge against our kingdom. You understand? When back, he never go back to the kingdom to go tell his father, say, Papa, I beg, and anytime after enough igbo, after enough highness, now make me to talk, iteta, imagita, baba yabome, evenita, or working, yabome, you never go beneath kingdom, go talk that thing. Una the follow and the clap and the follow on, I walk mano degija, una be. Una the follow, una the defender in different ways. You understand? At the look all of una the laugh. Wa here you bother sila silo. Emi an log wa so we make no kedi. Wa my we was zig in waji or waro wa. You people doesn't know. Wa hak bega or no few be no roviru wa no man ya digwe. Ya you know ya when why you know what tie born you live video or we do like live video where I'm sorry. They where believe you we era he when the matter era forget me because of €50 no. You understand? Edo isiagbon, edo odion. Waga weni, waga yeki. You understand? Sort out what that means when I call the comment they still here. For those who hear me here, you understand? Obi boga lowa, nya yori, nya manipulate wa yuri, wa fiwe, and wa gonfone. Ina wana gie. Yes, Tadok Baji, we not do endorse Yuri. You endorse Yuri. I greet you, Esther, the great Asigenemo, one of Church generation. What the comfortable single mother, show the comfortable single side chick. What I greet you, Esther. Oh, we do with you, and we be ready to know where do not buy you. When I the woman to see now a live video presenter ni, okay, can we are move. Where to buwe when they stand over here dokbaji when I to tell you what una again live video most of the money will live video presenter who are the dubious character of women, the nonsense the money boot have a live video even no man ban on hagi ma tabo wa they might have a live video all because the depression and you free wife you wa when you have we give otedo you when you when already do when you get endorse on already because maybe on a €50 go or when you like it, or why, or no, you can the followers are making that little because people want followers. When I handles, you know, when you post a picture, you're a war. It's a shame and disgrace to you as a musician because we're a superstar. You are just a musician, a local musician, very local, very local. It's a big shame to you, my sister. Who were they you go? Oh, si na tawa si gene mono. Obi so amiwa eyo guno ke bare. Udere ni no sexy. Some people you think they are swimming in money, they are driving big cars, but their mentality they are still poor. That is who Esther Edokpayi is. Edokpayi must be living in a mansion, living on top of wealth, but the brain she has is still like those one inside Iguayame. Very local. Umewa say so. I thought maybe we could be done even have a time of it all in here and a bottom of boy. You can't shame the shameless. In bottom of boy. Eliogeleye okuno gbigbe agane we rin a o ya le gun abana wa we kwiku ogun but if we misbehave we ni ku we correct yan isubu we pa kan le gba na o we do there agun wa ya yin na ga gun tawu amagun tawu wu na aye we extra we ado to agbe do we here live video presenter endorse as a live video presenter mo pe ni platform we na ja every time one live video na a live video presenter we wo we si won o amu topic ilaja single mother be comfortable be a strong woman be a name why encourage a single mother why we not what do we was why Esther don't even know why O be mo we bie na yan we hia kan wo da wo se na less why. We like video, why encourage a single mother, why compose a single mother association, why why endorse ya. I dey shame for you. As a bona fide born son, daughter of Benin. We me. External way dokpa yi. We oh me. Eyin ma gbero wa ejo yi. This tagli be wunda this tag even na lebe this tag ya zakazara. Hiya mama yana riziku. Also the when I zaga a position a compose. When ya does yuri, that is a how can I me with as a superstar, as a celebrity because he's a celebrity. We're a celebrity. Benin never get celebrity for women. Now it's a celebrity. However, we are a gear with your woman. You understand? Infinity saga to make a fire down. You may ban my choir. Me ban on your Esther already at work be. I go more go table be. Esther. Oyama subi. Oyama kwada. Or damn webe. One to me. Kenogo. Obey avike. Or sege. Obey avike. Ogo wa at work be. It highway. A rang of voom. Yame lao. When you roll wa hundu wa de 100 phone yine wa de iPhone not be gone wa ya hu nyanga wa ya si lewi gegbuwa si de yo nyanga de yo de yewi no mama igba agbe no venya na nyuhu ama to okpe igba agbere. I dey wonder and repeat to you where ya does yuri unu ya ta. If you tell live video no gbera. Ina we yori. Oh no devil na het ni yedo. No bolo wa le do. No ga nya le do. No ga long serious straight off nya. Ne di full Benin as a whole. Me ma di keke no ma. Me ma di sika pa no ma. You understand? You go to Benin and use your mouth to say the video where the women no we na you no we ya pa me si kan kweru we. Until you go and apologize physically when the demofi ye guanya obi na you know ya you do ho ona we bienya. You understand? I go every day ke bossas dojo is clear. On the demofi van no live video no matter no tie bon to ni kabaka say. The deal has been done. It is well confirmed and registered and made up. Then imagine I may respect the Murphy so when injury because a Murphy reorgan or morgan or confirming or ya relax. So Udo when you man you may respect way. Beside or working working highway or audio one or working one. Audio respect nowhere and nowhere respect working. Until where you do in the government do on woman may respect way. And you all you know why they owe. Can you build a page? Build a page. Why are you do a poetry, full poetry, I dem ye palace hoa. Why am I doing one in why you be so? May respect anybody. It's just the way it is. You understand? When who are boom, when it bonus star, a members of Esther Watinyari, because you know when you comment, I mean, man, red doing the who are the way. You understand? I want to hear boa. When something bubolele, mama, oh, you go not what you want here, mama, who down here, side or 30 years or 30 a boy, and we destiny our destiny Dimotomo yobo. That's one take the boa mawana. You understand? When we're born, we start low. Okay, destiny, they be the same thing winner. It be destiny bagua, as born in a city winner. And when I do, you have a born for me, or a large video, or it's one of you. Or it's one of you. Maybe and why are we when we are done why are we why maybe on why do you want why do you who about this man but baby understand the truth is that whether you follow Sachiko, side manu, you follow person husband, you follow person nobody, that's not my business. You understand? E can only go mu weji. E wo nyemo nya he we. Wo bo kan. E no really go we o baiji. O wo lo kan mi ni bi o ba hai. Ko kan mi be. O bo eni. Now what you like use am do. But as far as Iyori is concerned, where be say una know a bit that Benin know the story of Iyori concerning Edo Kingdom, the way it takes your man go give Benin and he never go cleanse himself. And you as a superstar, where be say the outcoming children where they look up to, you get people where they follow you up, where want learn from you, because they see you, they adore Iyori. When you, if you get wisdom, you're supposed to know Iyori is an antichrist. Iyori is in this earth to condemn a lot of women. I'm telling you, nothing good comes out of Iyori platform than confession, demonic confession that I had never heard in my lifetime. Now Iyori platform for the year. You understand? Now in platform there, they for the year demonic confession. And that same woman, now you will call yourself child of God. When you they sing Christian song, they go they endorse. It's a shame and disgrace to you as a God Benin gospel singer. I don't just imagine. I want to give an example. Esther Dokbaji, Sister Naomi, he did there. He not endorse Iyori. Sister Naomi, he did there. He not endorse Iyori. What is they call her? Iyamu nini Iyamu. He did there. He not endorse Iyori. You understand? A lot of Benin gospel singer, they are in Benin there. They not endorse Oyoba. They not endorse Oyebu. No few no Giedone. No few no Guaba. No ramu no mamani. No ya laleke bo laleke kokobirine. No when I am no ba go bane do bane or ekene madoyo. Ovie no you tete no uge someone. Ona you no mamani. Yakba misi kankwedo. We ya endorse. Esther Dokbaji. Ekwe no uja. O very onyawe. Do me the video. No one where picture a platform where endorse. No where you wear. No where praise. No where bene your bene. Even the send a video no sote go. No sote. No go similar. We see the video go. Because one ebu wakugwe a detis. Me on one where I been ya bolo my way. No. Ika bolo wabene. Ika ya bolo my way. You cannot be dirty at home and be shiny outside. First of all, clean your house before you go outside to clean other people's house. I cannot be talking to Asian people who are insulting the Benin Kingdom, where my own fellow Benin people are bringing down the name of the Benin Kingdom. And you expect me to quiet and cover up for them. Actions speak louder than voice. If I can sweep you at home, I can sweep you outside. The enemy at home is higher than the enemy outside. And the enemy at home is very, very difficult to kill than the enemy outside. If I can kill my enemy in my house, I can kill the one outside very easily. Because the enemy at home is your close blood. If you can kill your close blood as your enemy, then who is the enemy outside? It is very easy for you to kill that enemy. So, do you understand? A nonsense in our behave is getting out of hand. No, no one would like even that was when you were like me, because I am not the kind of man that worship people. You understand me? I don't worship fans. I believe in speaking the truth, nothing but the truth. Oh God. You understand? So, my people, if you do. Now, secondly, Edimofi Idausa and wife. Sometimes it's okay no obi bobizwa we if you want me so la dia we if wo ga la video presenter da fu we agun ayi o da fu we ga le lu video ki aleru no mari okwu si okwu no enegbe okwu no gwa bu me yowa okwu no da fu ga go wrong ogo a correct eru na nani no gbiari no giru tagbon na ya eru na nano we no ri okwu no enegbe okwu no ma gege omo okwu no we yes da fu me na ni emi no una mana de yo igat ki e we gbiwo ani ona oduga na me ma no ya we ni but yin so adere okwu to mo da fu me no kwa ye wa funda we yin so ro no ku deri ni ma no gbe adere o se na ta we okwu etini ku me o so ki gbe 100% but ma ni pe ma o gba oduga okwu me ti se gbe just wo gyan ikini atuta yibani na ko no ekwe no we ni soke no be that also because my no ya no easy misbehave the social media maybe like video presenter no go egun but to me ya go egun Edimofi you are a man from time there was a time I respect you e can when video na ka praise you that was a time after okay Nigeria when I salo be here mo fi face how I give you respect I did video for you to really give you kudos as a man. Where after all this live video presentation make you papa what you don't have be anyhow. Which I respect you for that. I was thinking you are a man of thinkable and a man of speak it true. My brother, but the way you are going now, my brother, you are showing to the general public where offend with him make it okay. You are showing to the general public where you don't have a say make it okay. You are showing to the general public where it's okay. Which is very, very bad. And for you, my sister, it's okay. No, it is very, very wrong. I see the way pastor yes, or the way that bonus you understand? All you know, yeah, time when I men the social media president, Modo will go to Zitalo, the Mofi. That has to show to Edimofi where you are not real man of God. Number one, you are not called. Number two, you were not ordained. Number three, you did not even pass. You did not go to pastor school. Number four, you are not educated. You cannot even read Bible. Number three, you cannot even write well. You cannot spell well. You won't spell it. Shokolomo mango she. What is spelling? You understand? You just see where Iyore is making it from salt and water ministry. People are giving her money. You want to now come out with another style as a return to sender ministry. Now, brother, now saga I fit you. Stay the way where you be. Be honest with yourself. Be real. Be genuine as a man. That's what makes you a man. See, my guy, not say because this person they make her, you want to follow this person way. You understand? Area. The only thing I hate you for is the honesty that you are not honest to people. Some people that think you are their father, you are their savior. You will come out at the end and blackmail them and insult them, humiliate them. That is the problem I have with you. You understand? Now it has come to the extent that where you are, or going a bush dog in the background. If you hear voice you understand? That is your father voice. He's using that voice to talk. Well, which no. It's okay. No, we bobizwa. Ya go ego. Ni kwina gili muwe. We ladi an haro yo tin wege etoni kabaka. Wa tale we no ya gbon we no ya wona we matenere wegbe. It's okay. No, we bobizwa. We what this we gili etoni kabaka so wa. What we mana tenere wegbe. Sisu wa we na gele so saga na fanoko wa na we mi yawa isoke we live video nu we te emane Tony Kabaka gbe nu we te neru we gbe. Your father brought up Tony Kabaka. If you don't know, let me tell you, your father Bobizwa brought up Tony Kabaka. Even your own husband has insulted your father, call your father a killer, your father a killer. You watch the video is seen on air. But you come out categorically, you are defending your father, defending your husband, insulting your own brother, insulting Tony Kabaka. If you call Tony a killer, who is the master of Tony? Is he not your father? The people that are listening to you are the ones that they laugh now. Who give Tony work? Who teach Tony work? Now your papa. So before you go call Tony killer, no, say as they call a killer automatically, it a key for your father. Do you understand? Now the truth, they fear people. Oh, men were in a kalekwa, on a baba kalekwa. What ye is so kind of with the house. It's a shame where or do ye and a bibi. Wagatie guabiedo. Say you yesterday, a president who a social media president agree and answer for you, my brother. Now I want to tell you something, my brother. Who was a social media president? Look at you yesterday. You are on Valentine's Day. You did dance. Go watch your live video. No do ya agbe nyanahara. We live video. Now look at what you are saying. After your live video, you start praising Okbaeka. Who praise Okbaeka. The same Okbaeka you are praising is the same Okbaeka you have humiliated. The same Okbaeka you have insulted. Now when you so, when we want this down your way. When we want down your way, even you understand? Menu menwa, ime kale kwa. You understand? Why feel what you are going to be? E want to know secret to what? Say one money up here. I will one. I will baba one. I will do ga one. Even I have it take play. May day inside. We don't know those things. We know all the story. We keep quiet. It's okay. Enter house quietly. Me you fame. Don't let me talk. And just enter house. May you fame. When you guys lawa no relax. You feel me so? Because we know your story. We know your papa's story from the beginning to the end. So no comments. Come paint one thing. No matter where Tony Kabaka not good, we know. But your father home, he worst. Your papa matter, he worst. I go measure people. Don't let person talk. Because we all are not nuisance. We just lock up. Make peace day. As we need peace for this social media, that's why we need peace for us. It's okay. And carry your husband enter us. Because now you be the husband. Now the man be the woman. Because imagine you know who me. No man will see me. And the more feel for bam. Imagine you know who me. It's okay. Use your head, eh? Use your head. We not have to go away. We just we lock up. We will respect your father because why? Okanegino. Emma marry your they do. Now your honey. Who that way okane. So Edward Mura Boto live video. Who are we Tony Boto? Because when I'm with Tony Boto, even when I'm with Boto. A Tony Garano near ta near Guan. When you're ready near Yajigan Yahu or Garoni near Guan. It's okay lawa. I see the Ladian. I gave Guan. While Hawa. Kokere we Kogeman Bodio Waya. You defeat me. It's okay. Lawa. This is a sad message to Edimofian wife. It's okay. Lawa. Ude gaga live video ni not boring akwaga. Wa lawa. Wa hane show with Tony. We me phone over call her. Wa settle show amicable. Moi Facebook re. Moi Facebook re. Issue no we with Tony Kabaka. Tie or tweno. Call her. Do ya review wa settle a family issue ni. Understand? Everyone at Facebook for the third time because all that work come with her. You understand? So yeah, we the money because of the money. Ma buno ogun. Emero le ma ata. So relax yourself, eh? Why call lowie? No de bio de jim vocal no one la one wie. I disturb my live video with a matter not better, eh? Ne want to build women to order for holy be uma holy, we know. Because I see ade ancien evidence is boom. You understand? Eman wari no ete eman wari o balo na ya. Wa ga do won yen wa gan ya we do yore. Me no go we go na. We me mi ru we u da me. You understand me na? Me no go we go live video na. O me mi ra u da me. O ma pains e pens ne rari life ne o ma isoke wa la wo wa e je we gbe e mo ta live video or else you got evidence in the bulletin or affect you wa. I mean, they tell you, just relax, maybe just enter house, maybe just fame. You be. I work for Ugbe 247. I stay Ugbe for many years. My guy enter house, maybe you go sleep. They call live video, they talk about Tony Kabaka, they insult Tony Kabaka, they do this one. So Tony Kabaka family, fam or twin. You know the story. What tell me? Tony Kabaka yak bele ma wa. Where ten eru wegbe? Utogera abu we my live video presenter we run no wa hot ile ni neruwe hot family ogene uma e ma ya nira mi o to mi o wa uwo na so agbon we live video isoke la o wa no bi ku amuwe say message to isoke and da osa isoke and the Murphy e the Murphy do my control wo kan we ku ye yu wa gbisa nu ku ye yu wa we live video e no do agbon ya. Compose it, come out. I want to insult you. You can't go and go. Compose yourself as a live video presenter. Kawe riaza ne ukele live video. Riaza when you hear Ikenu woman Emma go kan me tama magba o da fe fie we riaza ukele the live video because why we live video ne e ponta ne get change the bloggers if fiane. You understand? Who compose it go careers ne perfectly. Make sure we know what you have composed before you come out and vomit everything you have vomit. So my guy, respect yourself. You understand? Hey, you can wait to live video. Wow, why reason that? Okay, I go on a live video. Can reason me no kata gbera. Eme no kata. A live video ni me 2 years ago. Here come me ni tabi yas mo the reason now with the live video. Any of my live video is always a reason. This is the problem with you people because after depression, when we kind what I live video, what only live video because we 100 full, what's one talo, when I control, when I subject, when I the reason for what I are saying, when I evidence of anything what you just come out on live video and vomit rubbish and enter house. Tomorrow they will be using what you said against you. Now you like the live video we know there. You were praying for Okbaika, aka Okbekia. You were praying for Bekia yesterday. Okay, let no Bekia no then because why she stood to fight for you as a president. Because of Bekia, Igiro, you are a tenant by Mac where that way of you no gedo. Honor the bill inside the way. Honor Ruby, you're not telling me on our banana gun work where. You understand? So the movie was not happy because we not be none way. Now little they men who have been the president. President City, I'm talking from wisdom. You understand? Because then you forget who were the same person you have humiliated, you have insulted. Then you bashawo Italy here or carry UK. Utale you have a live video. When buy kayak bashawo Italy okay be passport Italy carry UK. Who were telling you a live video? The same as my car we got a little now a live video we know there. On your pavio or see where you don't want to be a president. A president that is bobena. You don't stand to be straight. And I look at you as a man of God. Can you just imagine? You call yourself a man of God. You are a man. You're supposed to be a man of speaking to, talking truth. You understand? Now look at you yesterday now. The same person you have insulted, you have humiliated. Because of your selfish interest, you understand? You stood up and be praying for her. If even that woman, if that man come to and cause to insult you, you go still come and call insult her. You are not balanced as a man. That does not make you a genuine man. That does not make you a man of timber and caliber. You don't feel me so? You just the wave. You just be like a man with woman the remote. My brother, you're not good. I be this one as usual. Just not be juju be that. I've been a course. Maybe not the things and they swear when you swear for palace, they could worry you so. My brother, guy, you bonok bag. My bib say, now the mere way bon we veni or you do alu when I balance because we take away the yes or not. If I'm my dear, you are most suggestion, I take your bonway. You understand? I tell you way. You must suggestion for example. Because I went and do get no man I have vimbo, no man I do or utisiak badagwan. That was the reason why I like you again. Usiak badagwan on the so we have a video with step case, other step case again. We are going to go be That guy, not a man of thinking through, talking through. But no way, you do work in Nigeria. But anyway, you may understand the way. They do, you understand the way. You understand? They tell Bonnie winner now. You have your body led by brother. Because look on her bow, okay, figure. You understand? They tell Bonnie winner now. I don't really know, you know. If suggestion you my brother, I think you're born understand it. I think you're born well. I think was suggest, even if I was that, because I do work in Ame Lalaha, a back is away, where the problem start from. So we should start from this, so finding the solution to the problem. Because since you came from Nigeria, since they swear, you know, so they swear person in for post. You know, as a governor or president, they will swear you in. You know, when you go, they can swear you in. They can swear for you and in. You know, so since when they swear for you now, you can't reason like negatively. You know, they still not going to declare. Whether they swear, can't they worry you now? No. You understand? And just the truth. I come in peace, so not be with quarrel. You feel me so? So my brother, if you're doing things, do it well. If you are for saga, come out for saga. Nobody you feel beat. Your talk no go feel shake me for my chair. Okay? As you shout reach, as your wife back reach like a black light bush dog, woo, woman will get my voice. If voice be like basically they press. You understand? For live video, you don't shake Tony Kabaka for his house. You don't get anybody where voice the wife voice they shake. Now inside your room they shake. You go there, they make your pikin they jump up and down. You say your pikin will sit down, call you say, daddy, daddy, your pikin will me fan. You understand? So tell your wife, man, you go sit down. If you want to address public, come out categorically. Address the general public. If your wife, first lady, she want to address public, let her sit down, address this, address the public. Wanna get packaging. In everything that they get packaging. You know, see me before. I felt inside darkness. My face before, you go see something going to fly on my face if I do live video. Sometimes I'm going to show black and white. You understand? So I come package. After people don't fire me insult, say, President, you they do live video inside darkness. Waiting they happen. You know, feel bad good phone. God bless me. Everywhere. 2 minutes, everything boxed. Now, may provoke, may we sabi, may we God go bless, women we God go bless. God go to go bless all my fans. Now they say, no, President, no, we need to change packaging. They buy me a new house, buy me a new car, buy me a better phone. Everywhere still 2 minutes, everything boxed. Now they see the background. My brother, packaging. Be honest. Be sincere. Be real. You understand? Be real. I'm not calling you, I can't insult you, I can't spoil your business. Fine, it's good for you to do your business, but do it in a very genuine way, do it in a very honest way. It's just the way it is. You'll be father, you get children. If you did fake to the Pope, to your fans, to the people watching you, how are you going to be to your children? Your children will just be looking at see my part, not be waiting my part to talk for life, not be to do for his house. You know? Like what for the life you know, it get as the be, you feel me so. So my brother, use your IQ, use your brain. Do things. If you just send message to you because I go more to book, you understand? Away fake video in that back, and that way some swat and he make it go more. He can't new one, you know, day here. If you be la wadia, who got if you knew when you say more like the Lutia, Baba with the smile or good way, Baba would know everything, but we sabi. If eating away where it live a life. You feel me so? That's why just be. Bro, make you do this normal level. You feel me so because me the verse here, not be lie. If you want to use God take scam person, use on scam person. Who you know so you want use on scam person. Simple. If you want just worship God direct. Who know say you genuinely give your life to Christ. When you may now okay, I want to turn pastor. You know whenever see me do saga again. Everything that will make me to come here and lay curse on somebody, I will cancel that thing for my life. Anything that will make me to saga somebody, God will not even allow it in my heart because if I decided to follow God, to use this my platform to become a pastor and be preaching, it's going to be real and it's going to be in a honest way because that is who I am. You understand? Do things in a way that people will see you, they will love to talk to you, they will love to call you, and love to explain themselves, what they are passing through to you. If you as a leader, even though I am the social media president, I still respect you as the ex-social media president. If on a more reasonable note, if you are a really wise man, a man of wisdom, as you know that I have been declared as the social media president by the people, If I be you, I want to tell you, I will categorically come out and congratulate me, my brother. Congratulations. That will make you earn more respect from people. It will make you earn more dignity from people. You will see a person like me, before I do anything, before I have anything to do, I will first of all call you. Because no cowards or even or denier. I will say, bros, Baba, see what I want to do, see what I want to discuss. Baba, you see this thing. You understand? Because of the selfish interest, the kind of bad mindset, the kind of old lifestyle where our people they live for Nigeria, where we say our leaders still they live, they don't want to make the youth come up, they don't want to make the youth lose, they want to sit down there like in their father house. And that life, now that guy bad mindset, now I see they do you at the movie. Yes, so nice they do. They say the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. Now, when we want to become the leader, when we don't die, our children don't die. Now, when we want to become the leader, you leading for how many ages now? It's always quarter, fight. I'm recording. Now, waiting just the sub up and down. My brother, I'm going to change style. Change your way. Now, your way go make them look you well. When I say so, what all? Baba with a smile, out of your way. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kí wíta lọ sí ilé gbá mẹ́sàn àwọn ọmọdé wẹ̀mẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ sínú wà ní ìwà gbé. Yes, so my people, I greet all of you now. I greet all of you now. Wayato, I love you all. It's just the way it is, you know. Sometimes we need to tell ourselves the truth. There are people that doesn't love the truth. Whether you love it or you don't love it, I have spoken my mindset. For those that know that what I said is true, God bless you. If you still say it's not true, God bless you. It's just the way it is. We all want. All we need is peace. Peace and tranquility. Freedom. That's what we need from these people. These old men, we need freedom from them. We need to be free. We need to lose ourselves. Just let me pick calls. Hello. I greet you, man. Good evening, man. You are very free to say. Should I put it on last speaker? Okay. Thank you, man. Okay, you are free to say something now.
Good evening. I greet you.
We greet you too.
More anointing upon your life. I greet everybody. I greet the whole house. About our former president. I just want to say something. As he said, since he called for palace, that is why he started with it. It's not that one. He started misbehave before he went to palace. It's okay, and her husband have already insulted his okay father live on Facebook.
Yeah.
So Benin people take and make parable say prayer where Papa pray for Pikin. Now they lead Pikin.
Exactly.
Prayer where Mama pray for Pikin. Now they lead Pikin. So not surprised say something they misbehave like that. Because the Papa don't dishonor. You don't insult the Papa come out for Facebook. Pikin where insult the Papa come out for Facebook. What do you want to advise her? What do you want to make it enter house? Not be sit down as they do so now so they take come out stay insult Bobizwa.
Okay.
Insult her. Before that one come out, they cry, say, not be born is okay. Say no one.
Yeah.
The Murphy be president when he insult in-law now, as he take up of canopy, as he take give her money, as he be away he buy for her, where he marry a daughter, as he take say not pass her, where in Nigeria, as he take nothing where they not talk. So this one not be new thing. So now prayer where he not pray for them. Now he push on here, but I don't where who cannot say well. The Murphy can go. So the Murphy don't they take a hand, they cause himself since. First time he come out, he say he's sleeping with his brother wife.
Yeah.
He fuck out from back, from front, from back parlor, from living room, from toilet. That woman now, whether you do or you not do it, some people come and say na lie. You just want to make it take get fast. But the woman when you come out, you make sure your name as you take do and make your brother not marry him again. Even though that woman woman not swear for Eddie Murphy. Now only cry. Now only Akia. Who are me? Under me, they tell people say 100 years not be forever. Any seed you sowed, you must reap it.
Exactly.
Whether that woman still marry a brother, whether I not marry a brother, do you think that woman is happy?
Bila, she's not happy.
Do you know the spirit of that woman? Many cause don't tell the Murphy, but the so no be saying palace. You just go at palace. You don't do what you do before you go enter palace. So if you know swag is swag here.
You are right.
Now the thing where see they push and I see they push and for that is okay. God they dance, they do this one. Husband and wife here where Babiala carry Babiala waka. Who go show each other road? Husband and Babiala, wife and Babiala. Who go show the road? I bet forget that one. Just talk another thing. Make you not waste your time for the Murphy wahala. Thank you.
Wow,
God bless you.
I must greet you. Thank you for your contribution. One love. Ciao, ciao. I great to know my people. I don't want to waste time here, you know. Just the way it is. Me and we at here, Esther, the doctor, my sister. You don't fuck up big time. You understand? If you not see you tell you, me or me when daughter you say you fuck up on my side, you don't fuck up big time. You feel me? So even people we get brain, all the Benin's we get brain, we know what I talk so, where I analyze so, the way you take fuck up, where you take endorse jury, no see, you don't fuck up, my sister. We were falling hand, we carry away with Benny, we talking about where, we no seek a woman, a career go away work Benny. Now your career is your key, so you understand? So my sister, I twirl for you, I greet you, one love better style. You understand? So all of you now, when they watch me, I greet all of you now. Shall be well with everybody. All of you, my brother, my sisters, so I don't invest for anybody. What? I greet you now. So my people, when I go up me one there, Eddie Murphy, in a video, what's when the matter? What's one banner if you beg you? Why they want to be better? Why are clear here? Because they are all your agents. Igbe aganya grow YouTube. Oya finu gedo. Igbe aganya grow page. Oya finu gedo. What is really going on with you people? Una no fit see una no see una own father wey born una. Muna call insult for Facebook. Era no bi wa la dem wo hi le kia. Wa mai mu e la ko wo Facebook. Wa we do e wa finu ge. Ona nya grow page. Oya finu gedo. Mona no fit say I gentle. I the first tell you no never believe. Una never believe. I'm not gentle. I just respect my people. Because my matter, if I want to do saga, if I want to insult people, my own they get extraordinary. It go affect a lot of people. That make me control myself. They use wisdom. They advise now. You understand? Not be saying na Chris pass us. No, not Chris reach us. Now we be the real Chris. You see now, because they carry the command. We don't be like warehouse. You understand? Wow, don't not hard to carry come. I want hard to carry come out. You understand? No, say enjoyment is for madness. When I use brain, when I use brain, this one I advise to all the presenters when they throw mad, go give their papa. When I use brain, he get waiting person they talk for mouth. You understand? They will not be a Kubena Star Majesty do this one. You understand? So I use God beg una. Muna use brain. All those na saga. And all those are women with the live video. What is the problem? Wait till they fight put. Wait till they quarrel put. Voice record here, voice record. Wait till go gain. If una play the voice record, wait till no one gain. These people who want to play their voice record, they're not in the same country. In here they folk back. I don't know why on like quarrel, saga. What is really going on with people? Now, cause be this one. Does it mean say this? You get what you get evil when they do secrets. We got the punishment and put when they use to disgrace myself for public. Because sometimes man is reasoning with me. I did feel for una. I did think una matter secretly. Say it be like say una don't go ahead. They get the ancestors because the cause we about laces, we about lay cost. If I don't want like when they go, hey yeah, so we. You live video you understand? No, but why are boy human trafficking? Any be again why are boy your bona one like money let that record every month people must have problem. What why go from back? Why man want dog back? Why friend the boy back? Why position you the same street, the same apostle, the one hustle? Why man position in the same place? You so one never be safe for palm the same man. Why una go dey come dey fall on hand for live video every time every day? Does it mean say you get things when they do secret? Go and not tell the public. Where will they call back of the scene? What did they happen for back of this camera? None of the scene. What that person back of camera now they dope. We don't go know. You get what they do secret. We any cow they flog gonna put for inside darkness when one come on for live video call they misbehave. I don't just understand. Whether you get what they do secretly, where we don't know. Where God they punish and put no and use the mouth, they content talk. When I come and talk because I mean, imagine the reason why when they insult myself, just they insult myself. When I don't go live video present for your comments, come crack joke. Come sit down, crack joke, make people laugh. Fine. I go tell them I must congratulate them. Say, on a live video, they kill many women depression. On a live video, they make some women they busy. They make some women they happy. Before they just watch 2-3 live video, they don't dark. This coronavirus present as una try for people body. Una help a lot of people because people will commit suicide with us. If not for live video presenter. But it not be that extent where we say you go carry this one, nakedness come on. You carry this one, picture come on. You go insult this one. This one go do husband house. You go say not be born this speaking. May go do DNA test. You know not be you with their family. You dey request for DNA. I go dey imagine some of our presenters. What did they happen? This one go say this one not be husband. If they sleep with another woman, another person. Person with the husband, you go say they commit fornication. What it concerns you? All those women are market women, gossip people. Gossip people. We want to stop all those things. All those things they cause hindrance for human being life. The kind of blessing we God want to bless you with. You see all this gossiping, it cause hindrance. It block people blessing. When you know say wait till you talk, you don't have evidence for it. Wait till you talk, you are not honest with it. It's not true, it's not genuine. You just want to say those words to bring people down. You just want to say those words to put pain for person body, for another person body, and you expect blessing from God. How that can thing go fit to work? Automatically, you are already causing hindrance to your success. If not for your own success, for the success of your children. Because in the Bible, the cause can be, it can move from your generation to generation. Not be everybody spirit if they accept lies. Not be everybody spirit if they accept illumination. There are some spirit that you will like on porn. There are spirits will react in a very demonic way that to the extent that the kind cause will go there upon you. Time to time, you go to return cause all the time. You go to beg for forgiveness. You go to beg for deliverance all the time. And people who will use brain. Who will use brain? I trust you. When I'm matter and get as they be. Who will use brain to tidying all these things? No, all this money where YouTube they pay. Because they don't they pay me money. I never understand now. This I don't see YouTube they pay. Me mind they think what you go no or you call the way they account you don't go your way. Me understand. You want die what rove your one now. How much did they pay you now? Because if they really pay like that, I feel say all the people they abroad, everybody for their YouTube. YouTube for not get space again or page for not get space again. I just feel like this thing is just to come out, lay advice, talk to people, make fun, have fun, make people smile, make people happy. Why be saying that so correct on a mind table on a yaro on a kunoro wodo, we are way, you look the hour, you look the way you could be, you look the phone I zone, why boring. And secondly, our beneath men. If they accuse your wife, say your wife they sleep around, and the accusation is to go ties. My brother, if you don't want to quit die young, pull leg for that accusation. Because in every rumors, there's evidence of truth. Yes, so it go shock you, Abi. Yeah, every time your wife deflect, try and investigate. Try and investigate that matter. Now Europe today, you feel so anybody. You understand? You feel so anybody. If the person don't get concrete evidence, you go win now. You go present how your wife is flirt. Whatever all this thing they come, be careful. Every time both a deal, everybody just they fight here and there. It don't make sense. We all these people who talk about, they all speak Benin or here Domani. Please, we will try to come together as one, make peace, so that we will get good live screen, live video. If you watch good live video presenter, they talk with wisdom. People go sit down for their comfortable house, just there with their drink, they watch you, they speak, they go, they enjoy, their mind go, they sweet. People, they watch you, they sweet, they want to listen to gossip. They go, they think they see in Nigeria. You know, gossip, you just apolo, wapa, wagoda, nenomayu, ula, etionsa, ewana no wasunu. You be like that kind of life, not call it live for Europe. And people more try change, more package, more upgrade, more allow. You understand? All this baby go with the bag, just to talk. More deviate from it, no make sense. And we still come out this evening, called Diagnose Give now. More date ahead. You understand? This is the main one talk show. If you want to learn wisdom, you come here. They will diagnose and give you for free. If you feel so, we're here at all. I'm just in one love. When I go out with my baby about this man, how are you? So,
wir können Mathe, Deutsch und Englisch. Wir können so.
You know, if you want to with you, yes, I'm here with you. You might be one, Shema, one Shema. I greet all of you. We're here at all. I want to use this video to thank all my fans for your comments on my post on Valentine's Day. You all are wonderful. I respect you all. You all are the best. You remain the best. You forever remain the best. In anything you want to do, Oluwa is involved. God go bless you. God richly bless you. I too go love you now. Not too much. You understand? God go bless you. The one that they press love for my videos, my posts, your comment is wonderful. You know, someone love me like that too. You understand? God go bless you now. You understand? God go richly bless you. Anything when I put a hand on, it will surely be well with you. They feel me so. When I always see people they talk my back, they must talk. When you are saying something meaningful, something good, people must come out to kick against you, to come and fight you, to talk things bad against you. But all you just need to do, be yourself and always be positive. That is the only battle you can use to fight your enemy. When you will stand to say the truth, nothing but the truth, no matter how your enemy try, they come in different way, they will definitely lose. Some people come say that the boyfriend or girlfriend they want friend you understand? Just to find your updates where they will take use against you. In the film, so we don't see many, but our God always there our side, and we always get that wisdom to deviate from them. May God help us, because this social media things is not easy. It's not easy. Our Benin people, now when I enter this, now I know our Benin people they're wicked. Some for inside not be all, some they're wicked. When they don't see you say they talk to you, they want to bring you down by fire, by force. They want to just set you up by fire, by force. I don't get with them and they fight post. I don't fight for post. Presidential post, I don't fight. I feel like I sit down there. So now the person who I want to be this. So now I claim man. Now New Year be this. Any gift will come my way. I declare man steady. Who know only a book by Daiji. I don't fight with anybody. I don't drag post with anybody. I sit on my comfortable Zoom and they say you are the president. So shall it be. I do my best. I just do the way it is. I don't fake my life. I live an easy life, free life. Before una know me, I the months. You feel me so not say because me I call the one upon the form they pretend tomorrow I must fall. So I must be the kind of person where I be the right when you know me. It is the way I am. That is the one that like me. And I say me can enter there. And I greet all of them. I twirl for not too much, not too balanced. Definitely they go try, but they go definitely fade. You feel me so? And so you'll be one love with that style. God will bless my children. I use God beg when I want to train my children well. You understand? My children want to train well because I'm the leaders of tomorrow. Because the way you train up now, then go be tomorrow. This is when they talk. So now just watch us when they do this live video. We're not going to know they want to train for us. We're not going to know they want to train for us. It's just the way it is. So una when they born children now, una use all these live video presenters to get sense, to train our children. Because tomorrow they can also become live video presenter and become public figure. Anything you teach them, then go present for live video. You understand? The way you were brought up at home, that is what you will present live video. People go see you, go tell you, say, now person come this live screen, he don't wait for live screen, say, bro, see the way you dey talk. I know so you begin with a train for house. You dey feel me so? So now so you go see the way we not train, go say, Amako Kona Segowa. So my people, my women, my single mothers there, I beg all of una try to train my children well. Case of tomorrow, not be for today. Now let them do now where they go. Now my children, now be pride. Now be pride. Now be waiting now go they see, now go get joy, now go they happy. You understand? Children go surround my table and say, go your be. I bless you now with my voice of wisdom. You go follow all of now. Follow my children. You not go lack. None of now go lost my children. All of now they look for fruit of the womb now. Double blessing. Double twins. Now go set for now. Just the way one set for me very soon. Ah, kapa waka. Yeah, salo waka. Eh, but with this man. No via, no wami, no via. I good to know. Actually, for one love, we're here to him. I love you all. Good night. Gonna sleep well.